Ebusuafo mi mo bibia kwa aba de ba GCN page so midin e de adwoa searching mesro na wa subscribe to my channel near notification bell no so for more news.
Anasa be dey aduane si ye no video ho. Enti nyoma ba be kan to say me nyoma ma masesa me ba na wo gidi a. Na je say sebe adwene nyame de ba wa fa nya adwuma. Hwe enu aye nam ayi kwan so no. Contract kwan so no. Contract kwan so. Adam sisi obi o be na no aka say akufo ade ba ye onye kwan bia me di natem.
O pa so ma se abiem no.
Hwe kwan da ho.
Obi an go sha nto akwa.
Yekwadu ho
contract kwan.
Yekwadu me ye se me kwa from hotel ho no. Me se me kwa akọ. Wo ma ye twem hotel ho kure ko aso ho kwan so. Kwan we kwan keto.
Ye kwa o de kwan ho koma mama patre kra me se meto kra me refi. That's bre.
Ya kan ye beto apatre beto.
Na so mesa akwa ichire ho bi.
Ayi say san ko.
No to de ese moto.
Ese san ko kota apatre.
Enti media me kasa ene ye wo kumase. Me kasa che kumase man. Me kasa che asanteman. Hwe say this will be pa e ma santeman a anka mu hunu bira no motia konya so. Yen NPP for and the health insurance buy. But Ashanti region kwa de omu yi mu firi mu for close to 6 years. Ya mo enjoy bi o. Mu amukofa mo ba ma de ba pupu obo na su o de su ko chen se hene. And ye yi mu firi mu. Sa joma ma ba kumase. No be ka kire o say me de say me ba ma ye nipa foforo me be ye bibia ma santima na o ye santi uti asantima mu ha me ka so ye santini o. Uti asantima mu ha ba obra wa santima mu ha. Na akodi ndisi kire wadwini mu ha. Wadwini mu ha o. Na me ye nyame a kuma nim ho sabdi na tie no bo wo. Na man fa mu otwe am yanku na nwe. Hey, me mu o. Because Joma Hama NDC. Now to Ashanti region. Now say me ko support NDC.
Now, Dr. Kobrado for Atraba. It is clear that our country is in an extremely difficult position. And downsizing the government is in the interests of the public. However, I would like to question against any use of negative words on our MPs. While it may be tempting to vent our frustration in this way, I will not believe it will help us find solution to our challenges and reach a common grounds that will position our great party for victory 2024. Dr. Kobrado for former President Mama. You see, the kind of politics are former President Mama it is time when SA catch or the division back room.
Oh, is that what it?
Now the Joma and then who saw the division.
We are sir. Whoa. We are sir. Because anytime piano.
Your mama no ko jina tamale say me date nipa 18th October 2016. Okache tamale for okojina bi Haruna abai faka bu constituency Laura. Ko jina okache o mo say NPP form NPP for asem. In terms of NPP for asem a omo fa ba omia emeye presidential candidate na omo fa Asantini enye running mate na oya sitting president and okojina Laura 18th October 2016 and okokan wo ho say NPP form NPP for asem na also NPP for asem NPP na enne wa NPP for asem no ye mas case of akosere mu a wosim de akodu anua pebrim ye mas case of akosere mu a wosim de akwanya nkofam and na wo di oyema sada wode kwa wo ye ne buburu na oben pepe for asem no enne zongo mampene kufor na ba na enne zongo for maya makuma ku 40 ede mako Cuba so mun konko sua de medical doctors na obi ye zongo ni na oba hospital a yenya oba onu su ye zongo ni watimi ahwe no no ahwe ni yi enne ye see Islamic schools enne Islamic instructors mampene aban ehwe won na watu omuka enne zongo dane na enye won say 2016 abaye toye there was 72 polling stations for various tertiary institutions and people in 69 NNDC nya 3
eti that we me dia make question say ewom say abade edura fia konwa na ato e no mo pre but me feel say former president mama emma equal grounds and former the contenders me feel say beboa dance say all transfers no undermine wo mo eti say akoto abai now Dr. Kobrado for Winia, former president Mama Nibia, who met my campaign amanana. And Obeka and this supporters of Montana Chiana. Oh, me problem is say NDC party no. Come here question obi obey unity. Any former president mama be contest yes about them. Uka brand say no a.
Na Boating.
George Boating. Accountant mu a obi onu accountant madman.
I said get your body down by four.
Say also about them. Obi obe contest former president mama bi about them. Kojo bonsu. Doctor Cobrando for any brand say na UK bog na fe no ko bia no. Wo man sase kasa for so omunya papa.
Yeah, papa oko contest.
So, enti come here say NDC party no. Former president mama nkoani ni only person obetimi abua NDC party na say obetimi win election ya mo mana. Abrantie ya ne we ya ni spokesperson so we ne campaign John Fense. Muhammad odi a che on kwa na ko fa no forms ya woni ne ebo pray. Joshua Labi. Omu kwa Western region. Akwanya wo mu nam so anya na dan ko fo na yi sa kwan no. Tutuma ya no Western region anya NPP aban. NDC betna so 8 years okrom ha. Da bia me ka say one my pro policy social intervention back wa NDC aye ye nyina e be campaign NDC pro policy intervention back wa one man okrom ha
John Mahama ko file nominations the rules was our voice no enna okọ
adebi wo a ye se ori ofonsa now here now here there because of phone ninsa to set nipa dasani wonsa says it is about show of powership in the NDC. When the leadership of the party decided to take a decision concerning parliament, the parliamentary caucus, the leadership were not informed, but rather the power that was with the national chairman, the general secretary, and the leadership of the party unilaterally took that decision and hanged it, even though at the point members of parliament of the NDC were saying, said, no. Yes, of course, the power is in your hands, but let's Jojo. You can change the leadership of the house. But some George came out. There are a number of them. You mentioned, a lot of them came out. A lot of them spoke, said, no, the leadership, no, you have every right. Some of us are the leadership of the house. But you don't do it in isolation. Some George went ahead and said, say, even a headmaster can't sit in his head office and appoint a head of class captain. Negotiation goes on our classroom for the class to have their say. And Sana, class captain, appointed. Until the leadership can't sit up there. On headquarters, not omun dictate solely for the MPs. Leadership no antie. Miami wafa. Ora Siedun Ketia led leadership. Wantie. He didn't listen. Because at that point, he had the support of the leadership, the council of elders. And whatever he said to them, wakacho omo. But coming him say, bien one kebe say, oni parliament, NDC MPs in komo, amasa, they showed power. Omu yusu, power, authority. Yen yes, yeah. So also won't tell say